friends. Welcome to lab number 23 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. The program I am going to discuss today is display the word after sorting in alphabetical order. Now, what are the basic requirements to display this content? First of all, I have to enter a word from user side. For that, let's declare one string or enter the data from user side input enter any string. After entering the data from user side, you can display that content. Print entered string is, you can display the string. Let's check the execution up to this point. Suppose I am entering Sukhveer, you can display the string as per entered from the user side. The next one is sorting of the content. Print string in sorted form. One method is there. The name of that method is sorted. Print sorted str. Let us check the execution. Okay. The string in sorted form. This one is basically the list. String in sorted form in terms of list. This one is the data in terms of list. HIKRSUV. Data is in sorted form, but it's in the form of list. Now, what we have to do, basically, we have to combine all the elements of the list in the form of string only. That is like this. Suppose I have to display the data RIVHKUS like this, or I have to display, this one is the reversing basically. I have to sort the data HIKRSUV without comma and without these single quotes. Then what I have to do? Suppose str1 is the new string. Then print string in sorted form. Here you can write sorted list is like this. String in sorted form is. Now what we have to do? Print str1 dot. One method is there. The name of the method is join. What we have to join? Str. Now execute the program. Look at this one. Okay, sorted content is not there. What we have to do now, str is equal to sorted str. We have to save sorted str in str to join this content. And here I have to write only str. Let us check the execution again. Sukhveer. Now it's okay. The sorted list is HIKRSUV and the string in sorted form is HIKRSUV. Now look at this data. This data is without comma and without single quotes and without list. Basically, with the help of join, we can join the data in the form of string only, not in the form of list. Hope you understand the content of sorting the data after entering as string elements. You can enter the numeric value also. Like this. Look at the data. You can sort the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can display that particular content. Hope you understand this program. In the next video, I will discuss about sequential search on the list of given numbers. We can search the element inside the list that at which index the element is present. We have to display that content. It will be program number 24. Thanks for watching my video.